Already bushia my more kwaba and fambra OTC more and logistics. And a video ya me ba be short. Now menya a year feedbacks be if a year customers for omo person who say omoko alibaba.com said ya be ya omo get scam our platform so and afi nneoma bi esese omo hu our platform so na tumi aboa especially one afi na wo person wo fi importation business no ase enti wo na video we mo no me ba be che nneoma mienu ewo Alibaba platform no so said ya be ya wo person wo to bibi wo home a wo be ye wo research ye na tumi aboa ema watumi akra nneoma bi a wo pe e de fi Alibaba platform no so now se uko alibaba.com enti se wohwe ha omo website no ena me wo cca alibaba.com na wo ba alibaba.com ye wo suppliers for mienu wo platform no so baako verified supplier ena ne to so mienu so unverified supplier now wo verified supplier no any unverified supplier no omugumu mienu enti se wo hwe me homepage alibaba.com ubehu se for example no match of FedEx no wo hwe ase ha ubehu se verified supplier ena wo hwe atade we supply we ubehu se wa wo system no mu 1 year nanso onye verified ubehu se u scroll through a ubehu suppliers ni bi omo tag verified supplier. Na me ba be kire said their verified suppliers no ebetumi aboa ma won get scam e platform so nneoma bi esese wo hu e platform no eso now wo alibaba.com no say ye can share supply be verified a wo hu na kira ne share sa supplier no ne company no Alibaba use system bi say SGS group independent your friends and verification company and the SaaS system no etumi ebo Alibaba ema omo verify company no ne document and me fa ne say company no ye OTC more logistics Alibaba ebe verify say company no ade ye adwuma omo document no genuine afi so Alibaba be hwe say product na company no produce no genuine product China ho no SS omo accept it. So when it come to Alibaba verification very very tough and ansana supply bi yebema ne tax or your verified supply no na just say Alibaba ne checks aja to say sa supplier we or your genuine say you can verify supplier na Alibaba platform no so sanetie enti Alibaba ne checks ahwe say supplier we document okay we actually say we register the business the company name we register or san office nkofo betumi aba ho abehwe na afin so no or san warehouse say me fa ne say oye supplier and so oye manufacturer o produce empomboa cars ne ne ekika ho Alibaba ahwe ehu say owo warehouse what the yes san money na ansan Alibaba etumi retu say we verified supplier now say ye ka say supply be unverified the opposite side enti na try say so ni pakono Alibaba checking the document on submitting the document ma Alibaba hwehwe mu hu say sa company we genuine and onye genuine enti wo hu sa ne ma mienu we ya verified supplier ni unverified supplier no say wona me ade he na wo beko me gidi say wo beko akofa verified supplier no now say uba Alibaba platform so and say wo hwe ase a platform so na me wo no now we vehicles ma search Alibaba platform no so and to which vehicles ma search our platform no so which first one I will have say Zhenzhang Kai Trading Company Limited omo verified they've been in the system for 3 years Usamba Guangzhou Hongjiang Travel Service so they've been in the system 1 year and now Usaba Jamen so ono so no wa system ni 5 years but Alibaba verified me pacho eno nkyere say sa supply no on exist but risk e wo ho sɛ wo ne supplier wei ɛɛdele no ɛyɛ very high. Risk ɛwɔ ho sɛ wobɛtɔ adeɛ wɔ supplier wei ho no ɛyɛ very high. Unlike verified supplier no, risk no ɛwɔ mu sɛ ɔno so risk wɔ hɔ, but risk no ɛyɛ very less. Mepatwa wɔn sɛ na adeɛ no teɛ. Risk no ɛyɛ very less. Ɛna adeɛ baako a ɛyɛ very good ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Alibaba ɛho ne sɛ supplier biara a ɔyɛ verified no wɔ ho wobɛtumi ahwɛ company details no na wahwɛ nneɛma ahodoɔ ɛwɔ saa company no ho. And for example, woba ɛyɛ Dongfeng Loju Motors a wode my main click so maybe or different now oba ebebie company profile. So this is the company name. Okay, this is the company name. What system no mu 8 years and more. 8 years and more. Now oba eye ase ha Alibaba wode hwe top ha say mensa eye the right top corner hono a wobehun say Alibaba indicate say eye verified by SGS group. Mepacho what you say enti say who can come back or catch you say supplier verified on site by SGS group. Mepacho what you say this seller is assessed, certified, authenticated and or inspected by SGS group. And the Alibaba ama profile of this company, one more assurance a company way no, you're verified company way or you're very trusted. So you can just read more about the companies, you look at the reviews, you look at the supplier capabilities, and see SGS a group no so what verify a supply capabilities and so ika ho enti ubehun say one man list in your man SGS group no they needed to verify this company no and a one man ho minor customization, drawing based customization, raw material identification, and then yekika ho omo bro format chotro me pacho wo hu say na de nete enti umia ha say view report for details enti umia a view report for details. Now some of the basic information about the company no and omo ede ama wa ha mo say if you look at the registration data or catch us say 1981 and omo register company way 1981. Now this is the company registration capital and company registration capital but one who scan wa ha mo say and o share a warehouse nso a space no and nso no the amount total employees 6,550. Ebacho what I say enti oba say a main category no oma wo nneoma hodo a omo ye se woto nneoma this a ebetumi adi se woto vehicle ene ne kika ho enti a whole lot. But what I say a whole lot. So this actually tells you say this supplier no or you genuine, so you can deal with this supplier. Unlike unverified suppliers no risk on a high. Now say who share a verified supplier no so me pacho and also in say company no a 100% genuine me pacho a idea say would show to bibia betumi asi bibia betumi asi and but say who share verified supplier na say we benya issue no a less me pacho what I say. But unverified supplier no problem anything ko for bebre etwa de e wa Alibaba ubehu se no mo have issues with obi wo to me tonioma huge ubehu se obetue scan no kra no na ye fene se yes container no kra ba be do port documentation issues ni ade but we mpo de na enya ade on pack no ne nsa eka kra because omo kwa Alibaba they don't check all this omo check sa nneoma we se na betumi aboa omo otumi akro mo nneoma no mo nsa aka na oba eye hasia obetumi emia a contact of your friend say company no enti ubahasia wa mau a general manager no kra no the phone number a company phone and a company mobile. Let's see, you need to send your business card in exchange for the merchant contact information. What I say enti ube send a business card or business details wo na what the ama company no before I my number I'll be to communicate your mom pet disturbance via. So you look at this particular company actually they are very genuine. So these are some of the things that you need to check when you want to your friend say buy anything from your friend say or more platform, you know. So and to share company website. Let's see if this website, you know, I think say let's see, this is the website. Let's see if so basically this is it. Into Mr. Oko Alibaba platform no so to boase na your diligent check bibi na person wo try to boase na your research ni ye me pacho aha na me de video no ebesi se wo question bi a me pacho ubetumi a WhatsApp number na e wo screen anim no WhatsApp ya na we bisa question bi a se wo pese ye bo ma okra ne o man so edifi eye China, Japan, Korea, USA and I think so Vietnam so me pacho WhatsApp sa ne o ma we ya wo pe bibi nso actor e wo China so me pacho ubetumi akọ www.otcshopping.com your website na me pacho product ahora e wo home no product do na directly from China esanso factory prices senia ubeyen wo China e mountain so the same amount na enego your friend say your platform no so abusuya me srel say obe subscribe na what turn on the notification senia be boost to me ema metumi de educational content e the fine importation ho e de abro e wo channel way so
prices and shipping them through need electronics fashion gadgets or more just tell